Hi, Flaps.
How are you?
Good, Flapper.
That's good. Welcome back. You just got back from Jamaica.
Fresh in a Flapper.
Literally this
I'm
morning.
here get all tan, Flapper. Let's make it tan.
You got darker.
Dark, I mean tan, Flapper.
You
Huh?
got darker.
No, Flapper, tan.
Above mine.
Okay, a bad man you have a Flapper.
Yeah, a little
Make it
bit.
tan, Flapper. See the tan.
And you lost some weight.
Flapper, about 20 pounds.
No, Daddy.
Or 10, Flapper.
Daddy.
10.5 then, Flapper.
5.
5?
Yes.
Flapper, are you losing weight, Flapper?
I know. I lost 15. Let's get into it.
Let me see, Flapper. Let me see scale.
Anyways, so today we're doing a different type of video. We're doing a truth or drink. A lot of people always ask questions about my dad. Don't know why. Don't know. Anyways.
Because they love me, Flapper.
I again don't know.
They
why.
love me, Flapper.
I'm still confused.
Flapper.
I'm still confused.
And the airplane, supermarket,
Kill your
and
dad,
the street, Montego Airport, Kingston Airport, Flapper. They love me, Flapper.
But
They love you too, Flapper.
No, I was gonna say, what do they say though?
So where's Flapper?
All right, keep it cute.
Yes, I'm just say, yeah, come here, Christmas na Flapper.
Yes, Christmas.
So, Flapper,
but I
no
can't
see.
wait. I
All
can't
right.
wait. So we're gonna get to know you in your business.
Huh? What kind of business you in, Flapper?
I'm gonna be asking you a lot of questions.
About who?
You, your personal life,
Why?
cause they wanna know.
How?
You gonna be laugh. They wanna know. So one thing about you, you'll bend the truth. So I know a few of these answers, and we're gonna do the truth or drink. So if you don't wanna answer the question, we have.
Suppose me say 50-50, Flapper.
If you say 50-50, you take 50% of the shot.
I don't answer the question.
No.
Just give part of the question.
You answer part of it, you get part of the shot.
All right, Flapper. All right, Flapper. You keep it.
Are you ask so much questions, sir?
You're too fast, Flapper, man. You see him out? Jesus.
Jesus. So we're gonna get right into it. So first question, we're gonna keep it real. Oh, actually, can you do the honors and open?
Flapper,
Open.
you have to take some.
Daddy, no.
Yes, Flapper. You have it. See, oh, yes, Flapper.
There's a thing. Okay. First question while they're opening it. How old are you?
Flapper. 60.2.
Take a shot. 60.2?
60.2, Flapper. 60.2 means 62.
Daddy,
So me at two, Flapper.
you're gonna get a 0.2 if you don't answer them
62,
questions.
62, Flapper.
Oh.
So no shot, that's a Flapper.
Okay.
All right. You lose again, Flapper.
Who's your favorite child?
All the above. All above. No special, all above. You think I want to get mad for me? No, all above. All
How many
above.
children do you have?
6 3/4.
Daddy, take a shot.
Flapper, Flapper, you say must answer the truth, Flapper.
How do you have 6 3/4?
Because one day hide somewhere where you don't know Flapper.
So,
Way out. We may follow for one day, Flapper.
okay.
So now tell me my business, and me I tell you my business.
Bookie, if you said 6 3/4, let me just make sure. Wait.
Flapper one and one man
Okay.
name, Flapper.
No, that's fine.
Flapper one man and one man name.
Okay.
Oh,
At what age did you start dating?
I think 16 plus. 16.
Daddy, that's a lie.
Flapper,
That's a lie.
Flapper.
Take a shot.
Flapper,
That's a lie.
Flapper, but you want it, you want me to say and you say different
No,
thing.
but I know the truth. That's a lie. No, Daddy, that's not a shot.
Flapper, that's a shot, Flapper.
That's a 0.5. You know what? Give me this, because you're a cheater and a thief. Okay, next question.
Yes, Flapper.
At what age did you have your first child?
23, Flapper, 23. 23 or 22, one of them, 23. 23. I think 23, yes, Flapper, 23.
Okay, at what age did you have your last child?
Jesus, 14 years ago, Flapper, 14 years ago, Flapper.
That's not an age.
So my Flapper, 14 years ago.
It's okay, I'll take that. I'll
Yes.
take that. At what age did you have my sister Samara?
24, 25, 26, no, Papa?
No.
24, Papa.
No. You were 28 years old.
28, Flapper. All right, Flapper. What you talking about?
Because she asked me to ask that. Daddy, why are you putting the chaser in the cup? You cheater.
All right, Flapper, man.
No, that no.
Flapper, you have to do it different.
That no finish. Fix up, sir. Okay. So my next question is, are you single? This is a main question. I don't know why, but are you single?
Flapper maybe. Flapper maybe flapper.
Daddy, maybe it's not an answer.
Flapper, you say
No,
if me no
okay,
answer.
explain the answer because it's a yes
Flapper,
or no
flapper,
question.
flapper, yes. No. You say
Daddy,
if
no,
me say
it's a yes
if
or
me say no, if me no answer it, take a shot.
No, Daddy, okay, let me specify. It's a
Yeah.
yes or no answer.
Huh?
Are you single?
Maybe.
Open your cup. Oh. That's not enough to lie. You don't have to drink if you don't lie. Okay, because I know your business. Okay, this is a simple question. No truth or drink for this one. What do you look for in a partner?
Hardworking and love.
That's it? Hardworking and love?
Yes, flapper.
Okay, and physically?
I know flapper, physically. But me pass by now, flapper.
You're gonna pass on that one? Okay. So you don't have a type physically because none of your children's mom look alike.
Flapper. A woman is a woman, flapper.
Period. That's
What
true.
you want me to say?
That's true.
Say she a big bottom?
No. I wasn't talking. I don't want to know what
Hey,
the
Papa,
deal was.
are you think she wants she say tall? Are you say short? No. Woman is a woman, flapper.
Period.
A real woman is a real woman.
I like that.
I love woman.
Okay.
I love all my...
I know you like
I
it. You
want
have
me-
6 3/4 people you love, woman.
Calm. Get it straight. Me have 1 million daughter out there. You they call me on TikTok, Daddy Randall. What do you mean daddy mean, flapper? Daddy.
You have 1,000,000 minus 1.
All right.
Because I'm going to take myself out. Okay. Have you ever been caught cheating?
Not car cheating. No. It's very, very smart.
so
Very
wait,
smart.
so you have cheated.
Flapper, I wish real man never cheat, flapper.
A real man does not cheat, Boo.
Flapper,
Let's get that
flapper.
right. No, just say which man. A real man does not cheat. A real man treats their woman right. Because if a man cheats on me,
No.
what would
Treat.
you do?
You say treat, I cheat.
Cheat. Like,
Yes.
cheat, step out.
A real man cheat.
Daddy,
A
no.
Flapper, a pretty boy will cheat.
But you're not pretty.
Daddy Randall?
Daddy, no. Let's clarify
Flapper,
that.
when me younger,
Okay,
flapper,
but-
look up at me. 60 plus, look at me.
I'm looking.
Look at Daddy Randall.
I'm looking.
Flapper, they say me yeah twin flapper.
Okay, and that's
That
why
means
I'm
you
not-
ugly to flapper. Yes, I get your flapper. Hold that flapper.
They said I'm a beautiful version of you.
Yes, that means
That
say.
does not mean that I look like you.
Okay, flapper.
Anyways. Oh, wait. No. Let's double back. So, question. You said any real man cheats. So, if a man cheats on me, what do you want me to do?
Dump him.
So then, what? So what? It's a real man, a handsome man. So should I just?
A young man, when you have a nice young lady, nothing cheat. When you get old,
so-
and you want to give him problem,
That
give him
that is,
problem.
no, that's not correct.
Yes. Come in every time. Me tired. Oh, me tired every night, tired.
Wait, what do you mean? Explain.
When they get used to you, they come in, me tired.
Tired to cook?
I'm tired for everything, flapper.
I know what you're trying to say. That's why I'm.
Flapper, calm. Me not tell me business, flapper.
Me know your business already. Cause one thing for certain, you're gonna call me and tell me. Next, wait, and I have a follow up to that. Okay, so if a guy cheats on me,
Done.
okay, Daddy, I'm right here.
Done. Right away, flapper.
Okay, what if I forgive him? What would you do?
No. Don't come see me though. You can't forgive him now. You can't see your yard, or your house, or your home. Done with him.
Question. Me and my husband, right?
When?
No. In the future.
Oh.
Manifestation. Me and my husband are going out, right? We're gonna pick up his mom. So we leave our house. Me and him are in the front seat.
Mm-hmm.
His mom comes to the car and he says, "Babe, come out of the car. Mama have to sit in the front."
You come out of the car, call a Hoover, and say you and your mama go on.
Period.
Hold that. You cannot put your wife aside where you and her going to the same bed later when you drop off your mother. And your mother. So, flapper, come out of the car. No, me no worry, no flapper. Just call me. And me pay for Hoover, flapper.
Period. I agree. He who finds a wife finds a good thing. When you meet your wife, that's your family now. Obviously, you don't respect your mom, but your wife should come first.
Flapper shoot na man.
Period. Okay. What if I meet someone and his mother does not like me?
Just stay there, Flapper. Run. Flapper, run.
How many times have you been married?
Flapper, one.
One? Okay. Another quick question. What's my full name?
Kimberly and Natalie Daly.
Wait, what?
Kimberly and Natalie.
No, say it properly so I can
Kimberly and Natalie Daly.
Okay, one more time with the middle name.
Natalie, man. Something Flapper.
Daddy,
Flapper.
Daddy, bring your cup.
Yes, me take it away, Flapper.
That's atrocious. That's atrocious.
Okay, Flapper.
You deserve two
Me know.
shots. You were close though. Okay. Out of all the ladies in the comments on TikTok, has anyone ever sent you a private message that I didn't see?
No, Flapper. No, Flapper. Flapper, me say no. Me take a shot for that, Flapper.
Because you know I can log into your account. You didn't reply, but you definitely got messages. But I know what I'm saying. I feel like when people are
Flapper,
watching TikTok,
Daddy Randall.
they don't put their glasses on.
Flapper, Daddy Randall. Flapper, look like you're hurt.
No, I'm just confused.
You look confused, Flapper.
Yes.
Shoot, Flapper.
Okay. Are you ready for me to get married?
Flapper, no. When you're 65.
What?
65 when you retire.
So how am I gonna have kids?
Flapper, you can't get kids here, but you're not married. Flapper,
Daddy,
Flapper, me take your kids in, Flapper.
Daddy, do you think you're gonna lock me? You think I'm Rapunzel? You're gonna lock me away in the house?
Flapper.
Daddy,
Flapper.
I met somebody.
How? When? Flapper, me never see you left the yard one time, Flapper. How you gonna miss when I never see you left the yard no more,
Daddy,
Flapper?
I leave the house. I just leave the house when you're not.
Few time, Flapper. And you coming back by 10:30, Flapper.
How do you know what time I come in?
Flapper, remember saying no, Flapper, when the front door open, you know, he send a chicken to my room, you know, and say, tum, 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 tum. If you got that, I may design this place, Flapper.
You're a stalker.
No, stalker.
Daddy, I was out. I think last time I went, I was on until 4 a.m.
To what? Whole man bar?
Cut. How many girlfriends have you had in your entire life?
Oh, la. Many, Flapper.
Like rough estimate.
Can't count, Flapper.
Daddy,
What? They remember it can't count, Flapper.
is it above 20?
Flapper. That's about 35. But me say remember, Flapper.
That's more than my age.
Who care about you, Flapper? You hold long, Flapper.
That's so bad. Okay, I want to do a thing. If you see a beautiful woman on the street, how do you approach her? And I want you to look in the camera and approach the lady. You have to sit up straight because nobody knows
You see, the thing is, Flapper, if the lady beautiful,
Look in the camera.
I would say,
Look in the camera and.
hi, how are you today? And then, and the response, suppose she no answer. When we continue.
I don't know. You.
No, can't. You're beautiful. I like your hairstyle.
Oh, thank you.
I like one with nice hairstyle, na Flapper.
Oh, thank you.
Nice fingernail.
Oh, thank
See?
you.
You see, Flapper? I like nice fingernail, clean fingernail, nice fingernail. Me I come from country boy, Flapper.
Okay, so I need you to look directly in the camera, Daddy, and approach her.
Hi, nice lady. How are you doing today? Can I give you a ride, please?
Daddy, that's no! Immediately no! Immediately a pervert! Immediately kidnapped!
Suppose she looking at me at the bus stop, Flapper.
Immediately kidnapped!
If she looking at me at the bus stop.
Daddy, so you see a woman at the bus stop and
Yes.
you say, hi, nice lady, can I give you a ride?
Yes, yeah.
Daddy,
No. She looking at me. She looking at me and smiling, Flapper.
Daddy, don't do that.
Flapper. She
But
looking at me and
Daddy,
smiling.
That's how all murder mysteries start.
No.
Don't get-
No.
Daddy, them something outdated. Please don't
Yeah?
do that. If you do that now, them will call police and tell them like.
Who you call Popo?
Them will call the police and tell them.
Who now you mean, Popo?
If you meet a woman and
Okay,
WhatsApp
okay,
and say
okay.
they're calling police and telling
All
them
right, okay, Papa. I
their
say,
license plate.
hi, how are you doing? And if somebody said, can I have your number, please?
Much better.
Huh?
Much better.
Can I have your number, please?
No, no.
And then suppose you don't give me number,
Before
Papa,
that-
I'm embarrassed, Papa.
So imagine if she gets in your car, you drop her off safely, and then she goes missing. Guess who's going to jail?
So, Flapper, suppose, like last time when we did at the airport now, Flapper, and two ladies turn upside at me now, looking at me. I mean, we say them going somewhere. I could say, hi, you go in my direction?
Daddy, no, not in this day and age. Like,
Yeah?
they will call the police.
The whole style, Flapper?
Yeah, man, you sound like Proverbs.
No, not Proverbs. Never
You
Proverbs,
sound
Flapper.
like you're gonna kidnap them.
Yeah?
Like they're gonna end up in your trunk.
But then no say, what fellow can kidnap somebody?
Daddy, you're no stronger than the look.
Okay, Flapper.
Yeah, please don't do that. But the other
Okay.
one, Ari, you can say, like, you're beautiful. Like, would I
Yes,
be able to take
because if
you
you're
out?
not
No.
beautiful, Flapper, if you're not beautiful, me now I say hi to you, Flapper. You have a pretty Flapper. You have to look good, Flapper. Before me, that
But
when I
then
say something.
what your definition of look good is different because you think you look good.
Me? Ah, Flapper. Little one, Flapper.
Daddy,
Papa.
I've been looking my whole life. I don't see it.
And they say me a twin.
Stop saying that.
Yeah,
I'm
me
gonna
a
cut
Papa.
that out. I'm gonna cut that out.
Come.
Because one thing about this day and age, they want you to come over to have dinner at their house and they didn't even cook.
Huh?
They just want you to come to their house.
Come do what? Flapper, come do what?
That's why I don't go nowhere.
Go.
Okay, so who's your favorite sibling?
I think I shot man that Flapper.
As you should.
Flapper.
Wait, keep a cup here. Keep a cup here. Who's your least favorite sibling?
I think I shot again, Flapper. Jesus Christ. Flapper, two shot long, man.
If 50 Cent can't get shot that many times and live, you'll be fine. Okay, we're winding down. I have a
Thank
few
you.
more. Okay, what's one thing you hate about me or you dislike about me?
Push it too much, Flapper, man.
Maybe.
You like Daddy Randall do that. Daddy Randall come here. Flapper. Find a man to push around. And stop push around Daddy Randall.
Daddy, okay, how do I push you around? You okay? Please explain that. It's when I want to do a video.
Yes, you want to and they come here. I will me tell you just say, come do this, man. Come do that.
And then what happens?
And me can't say no. Because you say, you see you Flapper. That me don't like about you, but
Okay, so
you can't help it, Flapper.
when we post the because we have a schedule that you want to keep as well.
Yes.
And then when you feel like when I'm running behind, what do you do?
Push back.
Okay, so
I agree with you, Flapper. I agree with you, but Flapper, you're too pushy, man.
because when you want, if you want good, your nose have to run.
Where you get that slang there from, Flapper?
Exactly.
And Flapper 19 how long that, you
I
know?
know. We want good, so we have to hustle.
Flapper.
Listen, the one thing with social media,
Flapper, use that in a proper English, Flapper.
No.
Flapper, use that in a proper But if you want good, you know that run. Flapper, that come from yard.
I know,
Yard that come from
but you
Flapper.
have to understand.
They never taught you that at school, yeah?
Can I finish my sentence?
Can't go on, Flapper.
My thing is with the internet, it's very fleeting. 1 minute the eyes are all on you, and then something else come up, and so while we have to strike while the iron's hot. When the attention's on us, we have to keep putting up the videos, keep a steady thing, and build from it. The moment we stop and we start say, "Oh, people like us," so
No.
we have to da, da, da.
We not do that, Flapper.
Yeah, so that's why I'm on you. And even when I have a husband, guess what? Still on you. Next question. Okay, do you miss any of your exes?
Take a shot. No, me never drink one in Flapper.
Okay, I'm not giving you any more shots.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, let me see. Okay, before I think I'm pretty much done. I think I'm pretty. Oh no. So where are you from?
Me? Jamaica.
Okay, and where do you currently live?
Canada.
When did you migrate?
1993.
The year I was born. Abandoned. What is there anything you want everybody to know
Like,
about you?
no, my name is Randall. And I'm a man from a country.
Okay.
We're in the Moondocks.
Okay.
And all I want people to know is say, you must treat your man and treat your daughter properly. Especially your daughter. treat them properly. And when they face the have lot of mouth, still look after
Why
them.
am I catching strays?
Still look after them. One day they're gonna turn around and say, you know, that's my dad. And all my followers out here, especially ladies, you 10.5 me give all my followers, especially ladies them. All 10.5 I found the score. Daddy Randall's a 10.5 around the world. You see Flapper? And Flapper say 10 Flapper give 10.2. Me 10.5 Flapper, 10.2 for Flapper.
I'm gonna give them
Talk for your mouth, Flapper.
20.
That fake Flapper. Remember say me I the real score man of Flapper.
So when you ask me, young man?
Yeah, because I know you always shoot top of me.
Absolutely.
So we, Daddy Randall and Flapper, love
And appreciate.
And this video is to make we get some.
We're gonna say it in another video.
Okay, so for now,
we really appreciate the support.
And 10.5 for all my
20
supporter. 10.9. Don't listen to Sheena. Daddy Randall listen to 10.5 and cut.